Intermittent fasting for weight loss. Intermittent fasting is a dietary approach that has become increasingly popular for weight loss. It involves alternating between periods of eating and periods of fasting, usually for a specific period of time. It is a way of eating that has been used for centuries to improve health and well-being. Intermittent fasting is not a diet, but rather a pattern of eating. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. During the fasting periods, people may choose to eat no food at all, or to limit their calorie intake to a specific number of calories. Intermittent fasting can help people lose weight by reducing the number of calories they consume. It can also help reduce inflammation, improve blood sugar control, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Intermittent fasting is not for everyone. People with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes, should speak to their healthcare provider before trying intermittent fasting. People who are pregnant or breastfeeding should also speak to their healthcare provider before trying intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a safe and effective way to lose weight and improve health. It is important to remember that the key to successful weight loss is to make sustainable, healthy changes to your diet and lifestyle. It is also important to speak to your healthcare provider before trying any new diet or lifestyle change.